Hello beautiful people, congratulations everyone who are completing these arcade facilitator program and who are participating in it. So finally arcade prize tiers are live now. You people can check that on 25 points, 45 points, these are all the points. Okay, the legend point is 95 point, and with a facilitator program it is so easy to gain these points. So in this video let's see what is arcade program and how to participate in it, everything about this. It's a gamified learning program from Google Cloud, and here we have so many labs to complete. They are like games to complete. Okay, you have to start and join every program. Right, I have already joined, so I can't tell you. But when you start here, it will ask for an access code. From here, you have to copy it and join. As soon as you join, it is good for you. And to see your progress, you have to go on Google Cloud dashboard. Here you can see your progress. Also, I have earned 3 badges, and there are so many things to do. So let's start one of the lab here. You can see there's all the labs are incomplete and you have to complete them. Here in last it is written in frequently asked questions, it is written how to earn badges and what type of swags we will be getting here. So let's see. It is clearly written that when you complete 2 skill badges, you are eligible to earn 1 arcade point, and for every 6 skill badges, you will get 3 arcade points, and so on. So what kind of swags you will be getting? To check it, you can visit this website. I'll give the link of this website. Here you can see these are the swags you will be getting, and it is clearly written that the actual items may be different, so don't rely on this. With 25 points, we are on the first step, and with 95 points, we are on the main step, right? But it's all about the journey. Thank you for watching.